3, 2, 1.
Alright, Internet. We got a lot of feedback that we should break other tablets. So we have here the iPad 2, the Samsung Galaxy Tab, and the Motorola Xoom. Alright, now for an iPad 2 waist high drop.
3, 2, 1.
And wow, the screen just feels like it's gonna start popping out right here. Just fall apart. Here's a Samsung Galaxy Tab, much smaller, and we actually can't figure out how to get the front-facing camera to work.
3, 2, 1.
Ow! Ow.
Survived, kind of. We have some cracks up along the top. Man, these things are pretty fragile. Here we have the Motorola Xoom. It's quite heavy, and we're gonna drop it from waist high.
3, 2, 1. Wow.
Alright. Dude, this thing is messed up. Let's see. Let's feel the glass. Oh yeah. There's some shards. Some shards.
3, 2, 1.
Ow!
Square Trade.
Warranties that make sense.